Hi, I'm Charmine, and I'm going to discuss about the chapter 1, which is the introduction to Python and computer programming. Computer programming. Computer programming is the act of composing the selected programming language's elements in the order that will cause the desired effect. It's like writing a set of instructions that a computer can understand and execute to produce the desired result. So the programmer needs to carefully structure these instructions or code to make the computer perform some specific tasks or ask functions as intended. There are two different ways of transforming a program from a high-level programming language into machine language: the compilation and the interpretation. Compilation: a compiled language that is converted into machine code so that the processor can execute it. So compilation is a process in computer programming where the source code written in a high-level programming language is translated into machine code or an intermediate code by a programming called a compiler. Next is the interpretation. An interpreted language is a language in which the implementation executes instructions directly without earlier compiling a program into machine language. So it basically means that an interpreter reads the source code line by line and executes each line in real time. So moving forward, what does it all mean to you? So Python is an interpreted language. So how and why? Python is designed as an interpreted language because of its ease of use, readability, and the ability to facilitate rapid development. Being an interpreted language means that the Python code is executed directly by the Python interpreter without the need for a compilation step. To elaborate on that, let's now explore about Python. So what is Python? Python is a widely used, interpreted, object-oriented, and a high-level programming language with dynamic semantics used for general-purpose programming. It is widely used for various applications from web development to data analysis and is known for its simplicity and readability, making it accessible for beginners and powerful experienced programmers. So the history. So Python was created by Guido van Rossum, and he was born in 1956 in Haarlem, Netherlands. The birth of Python. The birth of Python was between 1989 and 1999. So the development started in December 1989, and the first release, which is the Python 0.9.0, was released in February 1991. Python goals. In 1999, Guido van Rossum defined his goals for Python. One is an easy, intuitive language, just as powerful as those of the major competitors. Second is open source, so anyone can contribute to its development. Three is the code that is as understandable as plain English. The fourth is suitable for everyday tasks, allowing for short development times. So Guido van Rossum created these goals to make Python a powerful, user-friendly, and community-driven language. Python rivals. So Python has two direct competitors with comparable properties and predispositions, and these are Perl and Ruby. So both are a scripting language, but with different authors. So Perl was originally authored by Larry Wall, and Ruby was originally authored by Yukihiro Matsumoto. While these languages are considered competitors, they each have their unique features and strengths and communities of developers. So the choice between Python, Perl, and Ruby often depends on the specific project's requirements. Next is the two main kinds of Python. So Python 2 and Python 3. So Python 2 is an older version of the original Python. And Python 3 is the newer version of the language. It's going through its own evolution path and creating its own standards and habits. To end this video, let me just give you a quick recap about the lessons I taught you. So the first was I gave you the meaning of the computer programming. Second was I gave you the difference between the compilation and an interpretation. Moving forward was about the Python, the meaning, the quick history, the Python rivals, and then the two main kinds of Python. That's all about the chapter 1, Introduction to Python and Computer Programming. And thank you for watching.